So, first of all, you explain me what you know about it. What is the Ramadan?
It's the month when the Quran was revealed,
Good job.
and like a time you ask like for forgiveness and you make dua.
The special and the main thing is it we fasting in this month of the Ramzan. Okay, first of all, we done this the definition what is the fasting. First of all, in the Arabic, we said it som.
Yeah.
So the som we said in English that's a fasting. So fasting in the month of Ramadan, and that is the fourth pillar of Islam. And the pillar of Islam is this one, that is the basic thing in Islam. That's like the first basic thing is namaz, and the second and is zakat, and the fourth one is Ramadan. So that's like the namaz is for your on daily basis. On daily basis, that's we a must. We pray offering the 4 time of the namaz. Sorry, 5 time of the namaz in a day, and that's like the Ramadan. Sorry, the fasting. Fasting is just for in the whole year. That's be in just a 1 month, especially the Ramadan come, and we're fasting in this month, and that's be a we so that's like in the 12 months. That's be the very blessing month from Allah Taala. In this month, Allah Taala just so that's like be the Iblis, the Shaitan. That's is not be open to us for the so that's like be you doing a bad thing, that's like of the thing these 30 days just that's be for Allah Ta'ala blessing on this day month when we the main thing is in this 1 month when we did a one thing na, so one thing is equal to a 70 things. Your one blessing is equal to a 70 blessings in this 1 month. Okay, the main that's be just simply with that's like the definition of Ramadan, or what's the blessing and the main things of Ramadan. The first thing, in this whole month Allah Ta'ala bless you from a lot of the things, a lot of the blessings. One blessing is equal to a 70 blessing. One thing. Second thing, Allah Ta'ala sang the whole Quranic Arabic in this 1 month. Two things. And the second thing, when we fast, so Allah Ta'ala said it, when you fast, if you are in the fasting, if you sleep, if you praying anything, if you on the resting timing, everything is just for your Allah Ta'ala. The angels write in your register about your be a good deeds. If you sleep, they also write it the good deeds about it. And the third main thing is this one. That's like the next the last chance after 20 to 30 rosas when they come. So in these last 10 days, that's be an odd the numbering. That's like the nights come 21, 23, 25, 27 and 29. That's are the most blessing nights. We said that that's the 27 is be a Laylatul Qadr night, but we have no be a authority on this one. But the via anyone is via Laylatul Qadr night, and this night, one night is equal to a 1,000 year night, and especially Allah Taala explain that thing in Quranic Arabic. Can you tell me the name of surah, because I will teach you.
Surah Qadr.
Yes, that whole surah is about Laylatul Qadr. Okay, just we revise it now. The kalimas. Please read the third kalima.
Third kalima tamjid. Tamjid means greatness. Subhanallahi walhamdulillahi wa la ilaha illallahu wallahu akbar wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah al-aliyyul azim.
Hil alishil. It's not hil.
Hil aliyyul azim.
Great job. Namaz. What we read in the sajda.
Subhan Rabbil Ala, Subhan Rabbil Ala, Subhan Rabbil Ala.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now you read it. Darud Sharif. Allahumma salli ala.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
Hamidum.
اللهم
Just clear
بارك.
that sound. Hamidum.
حميد مجيد.
Yes, next one.
اللهم بارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما بارك على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. رب
Hamidum.
اجعل.
It's just little bit mistake. That's a Hamidum. After the dal, that's a meme. Hamidum Majid.
حميد
Yes.
مجيد. رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يكون الحساب.
Okay, that's great. Okay, now the dua. Dua before eating.
بسم الله على بركة.
Yes, you're right.
بسم الله وعلى
Katillah.
بركة الله.
Okay, now repeat it 3 times. This one dua.
بسم الله وعلى بركة الله. بسم الله وعلى بركة الله. بسم الله وعلى بركة الله.
The dua when you enter in the toilet.
اللهم الحمد لله الذي أحيانا بعدما أماتنا وإليه النشور.
You're right, but it's not for the toilet. It's for sleeping. Is it okay? I just tell you. Allahumma inni a'udhu.
اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث.
Yeah, that's it. And when you're leaving the toilet?
غفرانك.
Okay, that's okay.